That's me there when I started using Advanced Night Repair, and this is me now at 64. Estée Lauder has been around for the longest time, and it was a brand that I could trust. My mum used to use Youth Dew. When she used to go out, get all dressed up, going out with my dad, she'd put a little dab on behind her ears, and that smell, perfume was beautiful. Skincare became really important to me around 40-ish. I went to a department store and said, look, help, what do I need to keep this skin the condition it is? My first impression once I used it was like, oh my God, what's taking me so long? My skin, it feels glowy, it feels supple, it feels hydrated, people comment on it, and that's not by accident. Yeah, I've been using it around 25 years now. Yeah, a third of my lifetime I've been using it. That is my son's wedding. The makeup artist asked me how old I was. I think I was 62 in that picture. And she went, no way, she thought I was 40. My friends have used it and I can see it works on them. I can see the change in them. When a woman finds something that works for them, whether it's clothing or beauty products, I'm about sharing it. Yeah, I trust it 110%. Look at my skin, it works.